good evening everyone. Good evening ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again dito sa Gintong Buhay Series Year 9 na ni Sir June Isari.
Heavenly Father, we come before you with hearts full of gratitude as we gather to celebrate the birthday of your beloved servant, Tito June. We thank you for the gift of life, for the many years of grace and blessings you have bestowed, and for the strength that has carried Tito June through each moment.
Grabe, alam niyo, sobrang haba na pala nung Gintong Buhay Series si Sir June. Parang we started 2016 and up to now, grabe ang haba na. Alam mo, para na siyang teleserye, no? Mas mahaba pa siya sa teleserye. Mas mahaba pa siya sa FPJs ang Probinsyano. Yung Probinsyano natapos na. Ang Gintong Buhay ni Sir June hindi pa natatapos.
Ang Gintong Buhay, patuloy lang na patuloy.
Yes.
We have Jet, John, and Joshua. Let us welcome our celebrant, Mr. June Isais, and his lovely wife, Miss Irene Isais.
As we celebrate this special day, we ask that you continue to watch over Tito June, granting wisdom and joy in the years ahead. May this new year of life be filled with peace, health, and an ever-deepening relationship with you.
First of all, I would like to thank the Lord for giving you the 58 amazing years of existence and for allowing you to celebrate your Gintong Buhay Year 9. I know celebrating your special day with your family, relatives, and special friends makes you really happy. Yun talagang gusto niya.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat and happy birthday kay Tito June. Salamat Tito June, may ibang role po ako for this year. Special request po ni Tito June, flute sound. So I hope magustuhan po ninyo. Dahil kaligayahan po ng birthday celebrant natin ang mapasaya ang kanyang mga kaibigan.
Happy birthday pa. Thank you for being our #1 supporter of everything that we do. And we love you. Happy birthday.
Ako pa, ang wish ko is, of course, good health and longer life. Happy birthday. We love you. Happy birthday pa. Thank you for everything. And wishing you good health.
I always pray for your good health, kagaya ng wish ng mga anak natin, that you may continue to be a blessing to many. Happy birthday, and may you celebrate many more birthdays. Sabi nga ni Brad Pitt, as long as you want. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Salamat sa lahat ng pumunta rito. Sana sa year 10 ng Gintong Buhay, sama-sama ulit tayo rito.